Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog, you're such a clever dog, you are.
It was an exciting day for Waffle. Waffle was starting school. First day as a trial pupil, Waffle.
Now, Waffle, are you sure you don't need one more garden weed?
No, Dad. School.
Look at you.
School now.
Oh, you've got some fur sticking up.
Oh.
No, you've got to look nice and smart for you-know-who.
Hello there.
Oh, hello, Mr. Nolan. What are you doing here?
Well, I am the headmaster here, Mr. Brooklyn Bell.
Yeah.
And it's not every day we welcome a dog to our school.
Hi, Mr. No-No.
Which is why I've written a short speech. A few special words to mark the occasion.
Well, attention, everybody. Mr. Nolan has written a speech. Quiet, please. Quiet.
Oh, speech.
Waffle, it is my honor to welcome you as a trial pupil at Summersby School. I hope that Summersby School does its best for you and that you will fit in here and do your best for the school during this trial week.
Thanks, Mr. No-No.
Yay! Well done, Waffle.
Great speech, Mr. Nolan.
We need to have a family photo.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, then.
Please, could you take a photo of us, Mr. No-No? Sorry, Nolan. Thank you.
That's it. Let's crouch down. Go.
Ready?
Say cheese.
Cheese! Oh, thanks, Mr. Nolan.
Mum, school now, please.
Yes. Now you can go to school, Waffle.
Oh, yes.
Come on. Bye.
Look at that.
Shouldn't you be in your classroom too, Mr. Brooklyn Bell?
Yes, sorry, Mr. Nolan.
Okay, Poodles, today we are going to be learning a new letter and a new letter sound. Can anyone remember what letter we learnt yesterday? Yes, Anaya.
D-da.
Yes, that's right, Anaya. And now can anybody think of a word that begins with the letter D? Yes, Evie.
Dog.
Yeah.
The word dog begins with the letter D. And it looks like this. Dog. Mr. O'Donnell, can I please have the pens? Thank you. Once I have given you all a pen, please can you have a go at writing the word dog on your whiteboards?
There you go, Waffle.
Thank you.
Now you write dog.
Okay, Evie. Waffle right dog. Yeah. Pick up pen.
You okay, Waffle?
Pen.
Miss Barrington? Could you help Waffle? Waffle needs help holding the pen.
Are you okay, Waffle?
Pick up pen. Pen.
A
Pen.
pen in your mouth's no good, Waffle. Oh.
Oh.
If you can't hold a pen, Waffle, you won't be able to write.
Oh.
I need to speak to Mr. Nolan about this.
Oh.
Don't worry, Waffle. We'll find something for you to do with your doggy paws.
Oh. Pen.
I know. I want you to have a go at painting. Follow me, Waffle.
Hey, Waffle painted instead.
OK.
Until lunchtime. Bye, Waffle.
Good work this morning, everyone. Please, thank you. Please put your pens back in the tin. Thank you. And enjoy your lunchtime, children.
Oh, I like your picture, Waffle. It's a picture of you, isn't it?
Waffle is very good at paw painting, but we still need to work out what to do about his writing. I'm going to a meeting now with Mr. Nolan to discuss the matter, so please go and get your lunch, Evie. Don't worry, Mr. O'Donnell will clean Waffle's paws.
Bye, Waffle. Love you. Bye, Dad.
Hello, Evie.
Bye, Dad.
Hi, Mr. O'Donnell. Hi. Waffle! Are you enjoying your day as a trial pupil?
No.
Why not?
Waffle didn't enjoy writing because he couldn't hold a pen.
Pen. Silly.
Oh, now, Waffle. Pens are important. Imagine if nobody had a pen. We wouldn't be able to write birthday cards or stories.
Or speeches, like Mr. Nolan's earlier.
Writing is important.
I think he's just upset and feels left out.
Oh, don't worry, Waffle. We'll have you writing and holding a pen soon, I promise.
Yes, he will be, because I have just thought of a brilliant idea for a new invention. See you later, Dad, and Waffle.
All right, Doug.
Your painting's dry now, Waffle. I'll put it on the Poodle's class art wall for you.
Oh, I'll help you, Mr. O'Donnell. It's brilliant. A Wonderdog painted by a Wonderdog.
But Wonderdog Waffle wasn't feeling very wonderful.
Up a little bit, yeah.
If he couldn't hold a pen, he didn't want anyone else to hold one either.
Silly pens.
Up a little bit, yeah.
Hide pen tin.
That's it, and to the right.
Bye-bye.
Just to the left.
Dad, need a wee-wee.
Oh, good boy, Waffle. Come on, let's take you for a garden wee.
Thanks.
And then lunch was over, and in we all came.
Now it's numbers time, so you will need your whiteboards and pens again. Has anyone seen my tin of pens?
Oh.
It was there before lunchtime, but now they're gone. Can everyone have a look around for me, please?
Come on. Come on.
Is everything okay in here?
No, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. I've lost my tin of pens and the children are helping me look for them.
And Waffle's not helping.
Oh, Waffle, it's not like you. You usually love looking for things and being helpful for people.
Oh, excuse you, Miss Berrington.
Shame, it was my favourite tin of pens.
Waffle, do you know something about where Miss Berrington's pens are?
Yeah. Oh.
He does.
Waffle?
Here. Oh.
Oh, Miss Berrington, it's here. I'm so sorry.
Search is over, everybody. Back
Right,
to your
children,
table.
back to your seats. Well done, thank you. Waffle, did you hide Miss Berrington's pens under there? If you tell the truth, nobody will be cross.
Yes.
I know why. Did you hide Miss Berrington's pens so that none of your Poodle's classmates could do any writing? So you wouldn't feel left out?
Yeah.
Is that right, Waffle?
That was a very silly thing to do, Waffle.
Sorry, Miss Berrybum.
Does that mean Waffle has to leave school?
Leave school? No. Waffle's trial week has only just begun. There you are, Waffle. Now, I'm sorry. I've never had a doggy pupil before, so it didn't occur to me that writing with a pen would be a problem for your doggy paws. But luckily, Miss Berrington came and told me, and then Doug has just had the most brilliant idea.
Come see Waffle.
We've adapted this computer just for you, Waffle, to help you write words, numbers, and letters.
And Waffle, to turn it on, you just have to woof.
Hello, Waffle.
Wow.
I am your computer. Hello.
Oh, Waffle, that's your computer speaking to you.
Oh.
Now press this big button there, and it'll type everything you say.
Voice typing activated.
Thank you, computer.
Typing. Thank you, computer.
Yes, well, very clever dog. I can see you're getting the hang of it already. Soon you'll be writing and learning and having fun with all the other pupils in the class.
Absolutely amazing. Well done, Doug. I'm proud of you.
And we can take it home.
Isn't it wonderful?
Shouldn't you be in your class, Mr. Brooklyn-Bell?
Yes, of course, Mr. Nolan. Yes.
I was very proud of Waffle after his first day as a trial pupil at my school.
Love you, computer. Everybody.
Why?